Hello, welcome back to another one. What have we got this week? Possibly some tangles and little bits. Let's see, oh, definitely little bits. Jumping out everywhere. Come on. Oh dear. Oh dear. Easy does it. Right, straight away, Tiffany & Co. 925. Probably not. We'll test it. Let's have a look. There's nothing on the clasp, and these don't look clear enough to be Tiffany. We will test it, and it, because sometimes the fake ones can be silver. I definitely don't think it's real. It just don't look good enough. But if it is silver, then we can scrap that, can't we? You are a tag that needs to come off in the bin. What are you? You look, I don't know, do you? You do look a bit silver, like a tone or something. Oh God, my magnet is causing havoc. I'll test it anyway, you never know. It's either been cut, it's probably a cut ring to be fair, rather than a toe ring. That's alright. Go in a job lot. That's seen better days. Bangle. Love that colour. I'll put that in with some sort of lock. Earring. Get rid of these beads. Little swirly pattern bracelet. That'll go in a job lot. Just a sparkly necklace. All the bits there. That'll go in a job lot. Broken hair clip. Another tag that can go in the bin. Some earrings there. Pair together. And go to job lot. And we've got a clip on. Oh, that looks fancy. What's that mark? H. Possibly. I've not seen that before. Can you see that? I'll put that in my look up pile. Need to get back into learning and remember everything. That's seen better days. That is broken. Some of that is, I doubt it's amber because it's plastic beads. But amber look, seen better days on the clasp. We'll check it for any amber beads, because I've actually got a collection of amber beads as well, like solo beads. Earring, yuck, something stuck to that, but that's an earring. It's a broken charm. It feels heavy and glass. Stone missing, that's a shame. Little heart tag on the end. That's an earring, isn't it? Some broken bits. Broken, massive beads. and get rid of some of the big bits out of here. It's got cord and all sorts in it. Scruffy on the end, that can go in broken. Should put it down there. Some bangles. That one's really bent. That one is enamelled. Do I want to put that in my little collection of inlay ones? Yes. So bangles, it's broken. It's their hair grip. That's probably a vintage one. I'll put that in with my little lot. More bangles. Oh, there's another one of those. Well, I've got a bracelet like that. That's a bit of a something there. Some of these beads. So tangled. Someone can use them beads. Got a little baggie with little sequins and beads that can go unbroken. St. Anthony, pray for us. That'll go in a religious lot. This, should I put that in a religious lot? It's a bit outstretched and the bits have come off, so no, they're going broken. Broken. That's a heavy one, isn't it? Can't be silver. I don't like it. No. Bangles. Bangles. That's some earring, isn't it? Hopefully we find the other ones now. It's quite nice. Oh, there it is. We just need a back. We'll look for a back and come back to those. That's an earring. Faux pearl lot. That's a squished earring. What is that? Is that like something for a scarf or part of a belt? It's broken anyway. That was an earring. That's gonna go. That's alright. It's quite a knocker one, isn't it? Clear. That can go in broken. Bead. Bead. Rubber band. Right, what else have we got over here? Right, faux tortoiseshell looking. You're proper attached still, aren't you? Let's leave you. Got a cufflink. Let's undo you. Do you want to come out? Go on. There you go. That's Marks and Spencer's. It's quite a modern one. That'll go in a job lot. Are any of you going to come out easy? You're an earring, so you can go over there. It's broken. Nice big cord one. It's all attached. I think we're going to have to move the earrings again, aren't we? Right, so let's move that over. I'll put that over here while we wait for a back. And then move the earrings over here. Let's move everything around. There's an earring, an ear. Oh, that's nice. And then we can put broken stuff over here. That'll be a little pendant, charm type, earring, 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 broken, oh look, peace sign. It's a little charm with an N on it. It's missing something in there, isn't it? Brooch, that'll go in a broken brooch lot. It's a nice colourful pin, nothing written on it, that'll go in a lot. Broken earring, 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 two earrings. That looks like a Vivian earring. That's a bracelet. Are you okay? I believe you bent you back round, done you up, and that's acceptable. Earring, that possibly looks silver. Are you? Oh no. Earring, earring, beads, beads, another earring, earring, that's some sort of stone, broken, earring, earring, earring. That's going to go, and it's really tarnished. That's some sort of coat or shoe clip. Seen better days. That'll go in a broken lot. Earring, I think I've seen that there. Very worn. Unless there's another gold one and another silver one. Oh, it might be actually, because they look bigger than them, don't they? And they're the same side. Possibly. Another earring. Earring. That's a little pendant. That's a bracelet. Going job lot. Earring. Earring. It's got something written on it. Man. M-A-N. Not sure about that. I'll have to look that up. That's a little pendant. Doesn't look like anything. I think that's too yellow. Yeah. Ooh, yuck. Button, broken. Oh, lips earring. Lovely. Another earring. Got a... Oh, that's beautiful, that is. That rainbow sparkly. Go on, have all your stones. Yes, I will definitely sell that one. Can you see the rainbow sparkle in it? It's beautiful. Yep, I shall sell that one. Let's see what else we've got. One of these ones. Going a job lot. Whatever that was is broken. That's one mama of a ring with missing bits. That's gonna go. Ooh, what are you? I don't think you're anything. We'll see. Definitely not. Earring. Earring. It's a pendant. That's not anything. Earring. Earring. Another Prega Noir, Italy. Padre Pio. So that's another religious bit. That's an earring. That's nice. I like that. Broken. That must have been an ear cuff. That's a broken earring, but it's an earring all the same. Earring. Earring. A ring. It's a weird one. That was something. Earring. It's a Disney. I've got a little Disney lot. Earring. It's one of them charm things. That's a ring. It's a bird. Got a little pair of earrings. Pink and like a very light yellowy greeny colour. You're not anything. You'll go in a job lot and Lion brand. That's like a buttonhole thing, isn't it? Yeah, okay, a men's lot. A ring, a little charm, an earring. I don't think you're anything. Earring, a little ring, another little ring, earring, rugby badge, that's going a lot, a little butterfly ring, you possibly look silver, probably more likely silver plated. Just polishing up, we'll test that one. Earring. There's a bit of that, it's broken. Little ring. It's a cufflink. Mala. I don't know. It says on here it's like a, oh my god, Arabic. I'm going a men's lot. A little plastic earring. That's another little pendant. Do you have any marks? I don't think so. Nice crystal one. I'll test you anyway, if we didn't lose you. There we are. That, someone can use the beads, so if there weren't beads on it, it would be going in the bin. That's a broken brooch. A little charm. charm, earring. These can all go over here. Little charm. Oh, that's an earring. You're an earring. Like that. Shamrocky heart type thing. Broken. Little baggie of them. Charm. Earring. Earring. Cufflink. Earring. Earring. Is that cute? Possibly. Oh, a little ragdoll charm. Cute. Pair of shoes, pin. Let's just start actually moving some of this over. It's broken charm. Little earring. So we can get rid of these. That's a cute one, isn't it? Little cloisonne one. I think that's a fish and crown one. Stick that over there. Earring. Right, beads. Broken beads. Put the earrings here for a minute while we just what does that say on there? Rolled gold. And then it's got something else in the RW. Rolled gold, and then in like a triangle sort of shape it says RW. I don't know if you can see anything there at all. I'll keep that aside and look that up. No. Earring. A tiny little owl earring. How cute. It's so small. It hasn't got a hallmark. I wonder if it's silver. Possibly it looks it. I will test it. Wow, that's a big earring, isn't it? Would be nice to find the other one to that. I like that. Mixed metal with a glass. Possible agate even. Banded. I don't know. I might test that anyway. You never know. Right. Are you anything? I don't think you are. So you can go with earrings. Another earring. None of those are. I don't believe that is. Right, let's check. Get rid of all those bits. A nice hair grip there. And go in the bin. No. A heart, no. Nope. What about, not you, you. I believe that says 925, yeah. Little droplet. Broken. That's a clip-on with a magnet, I believe. That's a little clip-on. Not clip on, it's pierced, isn't it? Earring. Earring. Oh, I bet that's off that branch. Yeah. Put that together. You come across those red flowers quite a bit, so you might be able to fix it up. 18th of March charm with a sticker on the back, and it's got a little pearl in it. No marks, it can go a lot. An earring. It's got marks on it, so we'll test that. Nope, and nope. Ah, a little heart with wings. They're cute. Let's get you out. Hexagons. Are you anything? No. They'll go in a job lot. Rubbish. Earring, earring. That can go. Earring. All of that can go. That can go. Earring. That's a little opalite one. That says 925. We'll test it anyway, but not sure I believe it. What is that? Oh, look, half the wings missing. They would have been cute. It's got gun call in there. I wonder if there's any writing underneath. No. Oh, no, thank you. Oh, gosh. No, no, no. There's a little earring. 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 Ham's a hand. Sparkly heart. Another one of those charms. That is something broken. Another earring. That's another earring. Broken, broken. No good, no good. Good. Don't want none of you. Ah, this little owl. Not attached to anything, it just stands there. That's so cute. I think I'm gonna have to keep him and put him up there, because I don't have enough junk everywhere. Oh, look at that. It's got a nice colour to it. Earring. Someone's done a great job with that. Oh. Another earring. Earring. There's an earring in there. I think that's silver. That's not. That's another earring. Beads. Earring. Looks silver to me. Earring. Nope. Another earring. It's a little pendant. Okay. Any more earrings? Any more backs? Nope. It's too big. Little charm. Oh, God, I keep remembering to put my scissors out. Earring, earring. Well, that looks a bit bent, doesn't it? Well, oh no, it's meant to be that way. Is that silver? Possibly. I'll put it over there. Earring. Alright, let's see what we can get rid of now. Move all that, that. Move it all. Earring. Move it all nice and slow. Is that a marble? Oh no, it's a beard, but that's a bead. That's a bit unusual, isn't it? Right, all that can go. Right, let's try and move some of you over there. It's not going to work, is it? It's just all going to get a mess. Right, now we need to untangle some of this. Earring there. You all out. Right then, what have we got? Let's find some things to undo. That might be a start. Like, there's one. And two. It's going to be like obsidian or something. Obsidian doesn't look like shungite, does it? Something like that. That'll go in a gem slot. Right. Have I done you? No. It's undo you. Thank you. You're very tangled. Can we get you out? Oh no, we couldn't, could we? You look free. Are you nearly free? No. It's these chains, isn't it? Let's see what we've got under you. Come on. We don't want to be here all day. Or all night. That clasp is broken. It's really got bits on them. Just tangle and tangle. Like this one. I'm just making this worse, I'm sure. Come through. God. What is that? Little Roman. Pendant type thing. Come on, let's help you out here. Anyone? No, I don't like you. Go away. Right, you're free from that. Can we undo anything here? Yes, we can undo you. want to break free. No. Come on, let's be having it. Oh, look. Some glass beads. They're nice enough. They're going to job lot. Right, what wants to break free next? Can't you're called. Someone can use them nice glass beads on something else. Oh, it's too big for there now. Put it down there. Get rid of all these little bits. What's next? You are broken but attached to some stuff, so let's get you off of there. There's not even anything in here that I think will be good. I'm cutting this. It's a bit grubby. It'll come out. Someone can use them beads, they're quite nice. Cut you up. A few nips. Right, so those beads can be used. Let's get rid of these rubbish bits. Yay. Has that helped us out at all? There's two of the same style necklaces with the ropey bit on it. Right, they're nice glass beads. They'll go in the job lot. That's broken. That's the next necklace that can go in broken. And that's alright, that'll go in the job lot. So back to this one. Can we get you untangled? Right. We have got, right, let's do it this way. Because the ends of this is clear, unless it's a multi-strand. Oh, where's that? I bet it's a multi-strand. Same necklace, isn't it? Probably. There's a chance I might actually quit this one. I don't usually like to quit them. But this one's a bit annoying. Just come loose, come on. What are you stuck on? That. This is silver one if it's a multi-chain. Well, it can't be because look, it's not attached there, is it? Oh, look, that's attached to something there. That needs undoing. Right, so it's not a multi. It's just these blimmin' beads. Right, let's pull you out. Come on. Is that gold one a multi-strand? Right, I've got some ends inside here. Yee, they're coming. And untangle that there. Has this got a clasp? It has, and it's undone. So it's holding it all. It's all the beads and everything. Come on. Really annoys me if I don't complete it. Like, actually separate everything out. So, right, you are nearly out. Come on. Are you part of that? You're probably not, are you? Let's just keep pulling gently. Hey, you're out. You are out. You're okay. You can go in a job lot. Right, now this silver one, still tangled, but its ends are loose. So we need to just break free. Right, can you come out there? You're free. No, you're not. Yes, you are. That's okay. That can go in a job lot. Right, what have we got here? Let's just loosen you up. Come on. One half free. You gonna come? Come on. You there. Yes, you are. That's a little souvenir pendant necklace type thing. Not one of those heavy, right, I don't know, I just think they're a bit more better quality when they're heavy. Like the ones I had the other week. Right, that was broken. And this one is a pain in the butt. But it looks alright. We go in a job lot. Oh, thank God for that. Right, so we've got, I'm not touching that yet actually, just leave that there. We've got these bits to test. I think most of the earrings are silver. I don't think that's real, but it could be silver. Possibly for the ring, but these bits should be, oh, I don't know about that, but we'll see. So I'll test those. Let's put them in the testing pile. We've got some nice knocker earrings, just need a clasp for that. I'll just, if I take that off, then I can just put them in a job lot. Put that in the bin. Did I get anything? Yeah, I got that beautiful necklace, didn't I? Just beautiful stones, look at them. Yeah, I will sell that, and then I've got all them odd earrings to go through, and these for job lots. So not bad. It's all right. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.